Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us. Appreciate it. As you're watching our video today, please give us a follow and like our videos. We appreciate the support a lot. We have a new and developing channel, and we just really appreciate all of you viewers out there. Today, we're going to review the steps that we have added on our camper, and you can too. So, an in-depth review of the Ryde RV steps. These steps are Ryde brand. You can tell where the old steps were located here. You got to take those steps out before you begin the install. I will tell you, Ryde offers an aftermarket kind of a utility storage box that you can purchase and install in this space, which I have intention to do, so you can utilize this space and fill this void in your trailer and utilize it for storage. But I just haven't purchased that and installed it. But this is what the steps look like in the travel folded up position. Here you get a good look at, it looks like I need to do a little cleaning, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 screws that you have to install. Pretty easy. You drill a pilot hole, screw those in. I did install by myself, but 2 people installing, working together certainly would be beneficial, but it's not a have to. I would consider this installation process pretty simple. So you can be novice, you don't have to be an expert handyman, and do this. So to close these up, again, 1-person job. Lift them up, push them into place, and then there's a little locking mechanism. And then set them out. Again, twist the locking mechanism, lower them down. Really easy. All right, we'll show you the operation of these steps up and down from a little different angle. But come here, just lift these up. And you see that mechanism there. There's a catch on the right, a catch on the left. Both of those are individually adjustable, so you can tailor those to fit your door. You take this middle mechanism, twist it. It locks each side. You see that right there? Both sides has that, so it's very secure for travel. So there's what it looks like when in full upright position and ready to travel. Again, there's your mechanism that locks it on both sides here and here, and then to unlock it and lower it, and then just give it a little pull, and then you can do this one-handed and let it down. That's simple. Now, of course, these legs will need adjusted for every spot that you're in. Rarely does one adjustment meet the needs of every campsite. Sometimes you get lucky, but again, those feet can adjust up and down. And it provides a very sturdy in and out of the trailer. So let's look here at adjustment of the steps themselves. We've had these steps on a variety of surfaces. Today they're on concrete, which provides the most ideal setting, but these adjust. You simply pull out a little pin and these will adjust longer and adjust shorter depending on the length of span that you're overcoming there. But we've had them on a variety of surfaces in a variety of conditions, and they are fully adjustable and have met every one of our needs in every campground and situation we've been in. But okay, here's it being raised from the inside view. If you have any comments or feedback, put those down below. The link will be in the description to these steps that we have reviewed today. Again, appreciate all the support of our new channel, and share these videos, like them. That helps us get views and likes and help us grow the channel, and for that we're forever grateful and appreciate your support. So until next time, see you out there on the road.